Dr. Paul Bandt has been practicing medicine for almost 50 years, bringing interventional radiology to Nevada and performing many firsts in his discipline. Dr. Bandt has been at the forefront of medical innovation, performing minimally invasive procedures. Through his efforts, patients that previously needed complicated and invasive surgery now have access to safer, less invasive methods.
Well, I think what I love most about it is taking care of people who are very sick, who are looking for answers to their problems. I don't always have a perfect answer. I don't have a solution myself, but I most frequently have the diagnostic tool at least to find it out, whether it's a biopsy or a drainage or an angioplasty and a stent. All of these are procedures that used to require a couple days in the hospital, a lot of discomfort. Now 90% of them are probably done as outpatients, and they leave the hospital, 4 to 6 hours after the procedure. And just being able to do that for people who are sick, pain, worried, and suffering, and make their health care an easier journey. Advice to the coming generation, I could probably receive some good advice from many of them because there's so many that are so bright. But I guess from a history standpoint, it's pretty self-evident because they're doing it already, is that we have to embrace change. We have to embrace changes in the delivery method. We've chronically suffered in this country for many years of underserved people in medicine, and just because you can't afford first-tier health care, a country that's as wealthy as the United States is can certainly afford to take care of its citizens, and we have to find a path that does that. We have to continue to invest. We must not forget to continue to invest in the tools that we need for the next generation of healthcare.
Dr. Bandt came to Las Vegas in the early 70s and began working at Desert Radiologist, where he still practices. He established the Interventional Radiology Department, which is the largest in the state. His work has helped the company grow into one of the country's most successful private radiology practices. We are honored to name Dr. Paul Bandt as this year's Lifetime Achievement Healthcare Hero.